Hello everybody, it's William here, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, if you stumble upon my channel, when you browse the internet or browse YouTube, welcome. This channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence, and you're watching a serious video about JavaScript. Right? So let's get to it. So remember, it's a serious video, okay? So if you watch that and you want to watch the whole full video, full playlist, you can just go to my YouTube's homepage and click playlist, and you can find that completely for free. So yeah, and by the way, before we get started, the best way to support me, I update video every day, but I need to make my ends meet. So the best way to support me is to click that subscribe button right now. Okay, and if you think my video is helpful, you want more people to know it, the best way to do it is to give me a thumb up. Thank you so much for your support, and without further ado, let's get to it. So we're using Chrome, and I think this is best place to start learning JavaScript, because you don't need to get all this setting and get all this dependency, get all this pretty complex IDE, but rather you just open your browser and press F12. Okay, so let's do something even more interesting. Okay, so this video I'm going to do some of the complex sort of advanced wrangling of string, right? Okay, I just sip a cup of coffee. So let's get to it. So, for example, if I want to find something inside of a string, so remember I already got this full name to upper scale, right? And we got William Jamming. But remember, okay, this does not change the full name. So you got that. Still, you got this William Jamming. Okay, it's not fully capitalized, even though you are to uppercase. This is the thing that we finished at last tutorial. So yeah, don't worry about it. And then, for example, I want to find a J inside of the full name. How to do that? I can say let where equals to and our full name and dot index of. Okay, and inside of the index of, that is the thing that I want to find. Okay, so for example, I want to find this say the J. I want to find the index of J. Okay, and then I can say console log and where. Okay, and then you can get an index of that J. So let's count it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you might feel a little bit frustrating why this is supposed to be 9, but you got this index of 8. That is because we start counting from 0. So it's a n-1 scenario here. So you should count from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's correct. But if you have to say this J is at the 9 sort of letters or 9 I don't know how to say that, because you got space in between, so it's not technically not the 9 letter, but yeah, you got the idea. So you get this is just 9 things to show inside of the string. But if you look at index, it's 8 because we start counting from 0. Okay, so yeah, let's just start. Okay, and let's do more finding out. What about I want to find I, and as you guys can see, we got multiple I here. We get I here, we get I here, we get I here. So let's try this out. Okay, so where index of I, and let's see the magic happens. So it said 1, but remember start counting from 0. So if you look at William Jamming here, so 0, 1. So it seems that it would not count the rest of the part. So they would just find, hey, we got I, and they just say the index of that I, and then the process is finished. And what about I want to find the last index of a certain thing? So, for example, if you want to find the last index of M, okay, let's just try that. So I can still get where, but this time I'm going to say last index of. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to yeah, do much about it. Last index of, and let's find the M, okay, and then print it where out. So it's 11. So yeah, you can count it. I think it's probably right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? Yeah, it is, because it's computing, so it's pretty precise. So you don't need to worry too much of it. And of course, you can say I just want to show parts of the string. So basically, you're going to take a slice of it and show it. Okay, so let's do some specific action. We got the last index of let's cut it. Okay, so let's cut a slice of it, as I said before. So pretty simple. The trick to remember that is that it's slice, so it's sliced. So let's let a slice and O1, just to be sure, because we don't want to take the keyword. Okay, so let's slice O1 would be our full name, and we can dot and have a slice of it. So slice the starting position and the end position. So start from 0 and end from the to I don't know, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's try 6. And then I'm going to print that slice O1 out. So William. Okay, so yeah, this is the part where you get especially interesting, and you need to be especially careful about it, because sometimes it does not include the last one. Sometimes it do include the last one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so yeah, you should this is like a n-1 scenario as well. So the last one is 6, but if you look at index, it should be the 5, because you start from 0. Okay, and it includes 0 but does not include 6. Okay, so the correct way of doing it is to go 7 and print it out. So it's William. Okay, and of course you can use another one called a substring to do that, but it's slightly different. Okay, so yeah, let's type it from start. So substring, I'm using a camel casing substring. That will be let me get the full name and dot and substring. Okay, substring, and you can start from 0. If you start from 0, it will be exactly the same. So it will be 7, and you can print this substring out, and that will be exactly the same. But if you look at closely, okay, this is the length. Okay, so the length will be 7. If you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length is 7. And say you want to start from let's count it. Okay, so you want to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to start from 8, and you want the length to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. you can do that. Okay, and you can print the substring, and you got jamming printed out. Okay, so that's a little bit more versatile than this slice. Okay, so you just start from a certain position, and you just need to know the length. You don't need to count it from start. Okay, and of course, if you don't like this space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can replace that. But I think the better way to replace it is not count, but just replace it. Okay, so let's replace space. That will be our full name, and dots replace. And I'm going to replace the search value and the replacer. Okay, so the search value will be nothing, and nothing in fact is a space, and let's got an underscore. Okay, so let's replace that and print that out. Replace value, replace space. Okay, so instead of a space we got underscore. Yeah, pretty versatile. And yeah, that's pretty much enough about the string wrangling. And yeah, of course we got a lot of it. The best way to learn it is to look at the Stack Overflow and look at the documentation. But I think that's most of the common ones. Okay, and so if you're still there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.